Do subscribe to Siddharth Kanan's YouTube channel. It's got crazy content. If you think he's crazy, the content is crazier. Enjoy.
मैं हूं सिद्धार्थ कनन एके सिट के जरा हटके और मेरे साथ है वुमन आई हैव ऑलवेज वांटेड इन माय लाइफ फ्रॉम कॉलेज डेज। वो दुर्गा रानी अब बनी है पर मेरी लाइफ की रानी हमेशा रही है। द लव ऑफ माय लाइफ विद्या बालन। ताली बजाओ। मुझे ये बताओ दिल से बोल रहा हूं मैं। हाँ
क्या बात है। You said I've always wanted her. मेरी फिल्म की प्रमोशन हो गई यार। कहानी 2
पर एक चीज मैं बताऊं, ये जब वांटेड का टैग तुम्हें अब मिला है यार। दिस टैग आई हैव गिवन यू 20 years बैक डार्लिंग। 20 साल पहले
जब मैं क्रेडल में थी।
झूठी, तुम मेरी उम्र से बड़ी हो। Honestly, पर एक चीज मैं बोलूं, you've been looking the same for so many years.
Really?
And you know why? I think you're a very happy soul, that's why.
Touch wood. And I can say the same about you. Actually, you're looking even younger now. I swear.
Hi, single ladies, please make a move on me, यार. Make it now.
सिर्फ एक खूबसूरत लड़की का बाप है ये।
पत्ता कटाने का नया तरीका। Thank you so much. पर एक चीज मैं बोलूं, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, and so am I of you. And I must say, we've known each other since college. We weren't in the same college, but we had a common friend. And he's just been as mad. He was as mad as he is today.
And you know what? And she's as bindas, as rooted, as humble as ever. You know, ये लोग बोलते हैं कि विद्या बालन does a body of work, woman of substance, carries a film on her shoulders. पर मैं दिल से कहना चाहता हूँ, सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज से लेकर आज तक, you've still been the same, yeah, Vidya. Is it because of mummy, papa? Is it because of family? Is it because of you? How have you maintained that, Baba?
First, let me say thank you. He's saying very nice things to me today. Which side of the bed did you get up from?
Outside the door, यार. Outside the door. बीवी ने धक्के मार के निकाल दिया था मुझे.
नहीं, पर I think it's probably family, yeah. I think family keeps you rooted. Family keeps you, and thankfully I have a man in my life who's also, you know, very similar in terms of, what do I say, values. So I think there's no elevated sense of self or anything like that. There's great pride in what one does. There's great joy, touch wood. But beyond that,
you know, and also because the man in her life, उसका नाम सिद्धार्थ है. सारे सिद्धार्थ इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, humble होते हैं, handsome होते हैं, but he's handsome.
I didn't get this Siddharth. I had to contend with the other.
रो मत मेरी जान, रो मत। मैंने सुना कि तुम चिल्ला रही थी कन्नन नहीं मिला तो आई वांट सम अदर सिद्धार्थ। चिल्ला के तो बोली।
So at least I got, I added an alphabet in between, but SK मिल गया मुझे।
वाह राजा।
कन्नन नहीं तो रॉय कपूर से ही।
पर मैं एक चीज बोलूं, मेरे भाई साहब ने उनके साथ थिएटर किया हुआ है, लेजेंड ऑफ राम।
I know, Rishi told me.
And he again, सिद्धार्थ भी, मेरा कंपेटिटर, is such a soft guy, yaar. I think softness runs with everybody you meet, yaar. Huh?
Really? He is very soft spoken. He's very, not soft spoken. He's got a very loud voice, but you know, he's very gentle. He's a gentleman. Do you really think I'm like that?
यार एक चीज नहीं, तुम हो बदमाश of the highest order, but दिल बहुत soft है यार, वो मैं मानता हूँ यार, दिल से यार, हाँ? I love you and I got a kiss on camera. विद्या, थैंक यू। 20 साल के बाद ही सही राजा। बट यू नो व्हाट, आई टेल यू, जब लोग बात कर रहे हो ऑफ कहानी 2 एंड ऑल, यू आर अगेन कैरिंग अ फिल्म ऑन योर शोल्डर्स, ठीक है? इनफैक्ट मॉडर्न ईरा में यू आर द एक्ट्रेस हु स्टार्ट दिस ट्रेंड ऑफ वुमन ड्रिवन फिल्म्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. डज दैट पुट प्रेशर ऑन यू ऑल द टाइम?
No, yeah, it doesn't, because I'm actually just doing the kind of films that I want to be doing. I'm very happy with the kind of work I'm doing. I didn't choose to do women-centric films, but when those films came my way, I realized what an opportunity I was being given in terms of being the central protagonist, in terms of playing such a wide variety of roles. That's why I did them, and they ended up doing well, and then they started this trend and all that. But I therefore had no thought or planning or strategy in doing anything of the sort, but it feels good when someone gives me the credit.
भैया ये मॉडर्न ईरा में कैरिंग द फिल्म ऑन हर शोल्डर्स गोज टू विद्या बालन. भैया परसेंट हाँ या ना बोलो. हाँ 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 बोलो. हाँ हाँ हाँ. यस यस यस. देखो सब बोल रहे हैं. 2-2.5 लोग बैठे हुए हॉल में, वो लोग सब बोल रहे हैं. एंड ढाई इज मीन आई एम ढाई यार. हाँ, दीज आर द बिग बॉयज. बट यू नो व्हाट, एट दिस जंक्चर जब तुम इस मुकाम तक पहुंच गई, आई फील दैट यू आर वेरी सिक्योर इन योर जोन. I feel the entire fraternity is running after numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3. पर ये विद्या बालन ब्रेक लेती है, एक फिल्म कड़क करती है, फिर गैप लेती है. Are you really that secure inside?
I think so. You know, I've never seen it as security or anything, but I think I'm just happy. I feel blessed that I'm living my dream. The only thing I've ever wanted to do, and you know this, is be an actor. I'm an actor. I'm doing films. I'm doing exciting films. Some of them work, some of them don't work. But you know, it doesn't matter. In between, after Kahani, I had begun to, you know, keep a track of the numbers and things like that. I think I just got way late because that's not my, you know, forte. I don't understand numbers, and then they overpower you somewhere. And then I said, listen, and at that time, none of the films were doing well also. So it was like the numbers weren't looking too good. But I think it just brought back perspective. I said, you know, what am I here for? Is it to get these numbers? Yes, I want big numbers. I want every film to be a super duper blockbuster. But I'm here primarily as an actor, and I can do what I can do to the best of my abilities, and then just, you know, I have no control over the result. So I've gone back to just enjoying.
Back to the basics, huh?
Back to basics, absolutely.
पर जब ये फिल्में नहीं चलती हैं, अपसेट होती हो, रेट्रोस्पेक्ट, इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करती हो, पेरेंट्स से बात करती हो, क्या होता है then?
मैं रोती हूँ, गुस्सा आता है. I want to blame it on someone. I want to blame it on myself, on someone from the team. I want to blame it on the entire team. I feel like, you know, I want to blame the world and say there's a conspiracy. There's all kinds of things. I think all of us go through that, you know. You feel that, I don't know, you just don't want to accept it. But I think the only way to deal with it is to talk about it. I talk to Siddharth, I talk to my family about it and get it out of my system.
और जब बात करने के बाद वो लोग क्या कहते हैं? We are with you, go for it, rock star.
नहीं, I think they all listen to me patiently. मैं उनको कुछ बोलने का मौका ही नहीं देती. मैं बस बड़ करती रहती हूँ. And then I think they also now over time, like Siddharth has, you know, he's obviously a producer and he knows how to deal with situations like this. So he brings in another perspective. My parents, sister, brother-in-law, they all just hear me out, hear me vent. They don't give any advice. They just, I think they're patient listeners, and just getting that out of the system really helps. And then perspective comes back. You realize that, you know, it's not the end of the world. Tomorrow is another day. The sun is going to rise.
You know, I relate to you so much at this stage in my life. मैं बस जो भी करता हूँ आउटकम के बारे में सोचता ही नहीं हूँ यार. पहले एक जमाना था कि you said I want people to know me, I want to make money, I want to prove. But at this stage, I feel a lot like you. यार मुझे लगता है मैं बस करता हूँ, बस मजे आने चाहिए बस.
Yeah, exactly. In that moment, if you enjoy it, ना बाकी कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फर्क नहीं पड़ता as in, you know, of course if the film is a huge success और सब पीठ थपथपाए तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. पर as long as I enjoy the moment, the process, even now promotions, I'm happy.
You're enjoying this moment or not, मेरी जान? झूठ तो बोल दो. बोलो हाँ. कितना unconvincing हाँ. You're such a bad actress यार. हाँ? Convincingly हाँ नहीं बोल पा रही हो.
अरे enjoy कर रही हूँ यार.
अरे और बीच में मारती भी रहती है मुझे यार. But you know what I like this. You know तुम सिनेमा हॉल्स जाती हो सिद्धार्थ के साथ, which is not a premiere, which is not an exclusive screening. तुम लोग कोने में बैठे रहते हो. Does that? अरे मैं देखता रहता हूँ यार जेलसी के चक्कर में हाँ कि कमबख्त मेरे साथ पिक्चर नहीं गई, पतिदेव के साथ जा रही है. But is that a conscious decision so that there's a reality check?
Yeah, I think we like to lead very normal, fuss-free lives. We go to restaurants and eat, and not necessarily all 5 stars. You know, we go to the theatre almost every week. I didn't watch so many films before I met Siddharth, but he loves watching films, and I love watching films in the theatre यार. वो कॉफ़ी में पॉपकॉर्न वगैरह खाती नहीं हूँ, पर कॉफ़ी you know मंगवा लो और फिर पीते हुए फिल्म देखो, मज़ा आता है. You know, and people are very respectful of your space in Bombay. तो वो आते हैं, इंटरवल में आएंगे, पिक्चर मांगेंगे, ऑटोग्राफ मांगेंगे, जो भी है. They'll take a selfie and they'll go away. But they're not like, you know, really trying or not. So I think that's great. And we do, what else do we do? There was a time when we used to go to Juhu Beach also for walks really early in the morning. But I'm not a morning person, so I said, listen, why don't you go? I'll watch you from here in my sleep.
बेटा क्या साउथ इंडियन लड़की है छे, इनके पिताजी 5 बजे 4 बजे उठते हैं और बेटी बोलती है आई एम नॉट अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन मिस्टर बालन दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू यू, उसको उठाओ प्लीज उठाओ 4 बजे.
37 years से ट्राई कर रहे हैं.
अभी तक नहीं हुआ ये यार, मेरे साथ भी ये नहीं हुआ यार.
Yeah.
ये लोग क्यों इतना जल्दी उठते हैं यार?
Yeah, my parents are like, I don't get it. Acha, you have to go to work at 9 o'clock, right? I would wake up at 7:30 to go at 9 or 8 if I could help it. आज भी मैं 9 बजे निकली घर से, मैं 8 बजे उठी. They have to wake up 2-3 hours in advance. I don't know why. My mom always wakes up. She's a homemaker, पर वो 6 बजे से ज़्यादा कभी सोई नहीं है. There was a time when she used to even wake up at 4 in the morning. And I'm like, when you can help it, why would you do that? Do subscribe to Siddharth Kanan's YouTube channel. It's got crazy content. If you think he's crazy, the content is crazy.